It's the final game of the semifinals. It's the NLCS. It's the Avalanche at 2 seed versus the 1 seed Coyotes, who took the 1 seed from the Avalanche towards the end of the regular season. The winner gets to play the Stallions in the World Series. So let's go to the first inning. I have a golf lesson tomorrow. But Thursday.
Tomorrow or the next day?
Thursday and Friday, probably. Saturday I'll be here in the evening, but Friday night we're going up to Oswego.
How's Niagara Falls?
It was good.
Remember you said that you could play WIFFLE that day, and then all of a sudden you're just gone.
Well,
That was the last second decision.
No, we knew we were going.
You said no when you were going?
You texted me on Thursday.
And you're like, I'll be available tomorrow.
I was going to be available in the morning, but then we left early. My dad was able to miss work because it was feeling good the night before.
I've only been to Niagara Falls once.
It's nice. Did you say in America or Canada?
America.
Canadian side's a lot better. I've been to both.
So you've officially been to Canada?
Yep, that's my first time.
When did you go? When?
Yeah, the Canadian side's a lot bigger and it has more stuff to look at. I went to the American side during COVID. Ball, boom. Stop. First and second. Someone give me a script. I want to hit my first walk off to the playoffs. And it was so close.
Ethan won with the Avalanche. The Avalanche destroyed them.
Now, I only gave up 2 runs that game.
I think maybe Ethan should have been the Yeah.
What?
I can't think.
Well, the Avalanche technically should have been the 1 seed. You should.
The Coyotes stole it in like the last 2 games.
Bow.
Bases loaded, no outs here in the top of the first. The winner plays the Stallions in the World Series. And that's another foul. Just hit it the other direction.
Oh!
Oh my
It's
God.
a 1 pitch away.
That was nasty. What was that, a slider?
Yes. Finally a pitch works for Gavin.
Remember last year when I was like in mid-season 4, my slider would start like over here. It would go like that.
I've had a couple sliders that have in the other games.
I've had a couple curve a lot.
Last season I had some crazy ones just like
I've had a couple curve a lot today. I'm just not used to aiming so far out here. But
when you don't play for a year or like a couple months. Let's go, 2 out. When you don't play for like a couple months, you get a little rusty.
it gets a little hard to see. That one is high. Yeah, ball.
This is the bad part about living in Northern.
What's the score? 0-0 still.
Yeah, if I go out with no freaking.
After walking the first base.
Okay.
Finally.
Okay. We got 1.
Pay attention. I need balls.
1.
Oh no!
Oh. Here comes my dropper.
That drop was just started so well.
Yeah. All right, bases loaded with 2 outs. 1-0.
Yay! Yay! Dude, I can't pick up the ball. Yay! That's score 1?
Yeah, because I stayed at first.
RBI single.
2-0. I'm getting so many ribbies. I just can't get one over the fence yet.
I feel like this is a little close to them.
Yeah.
I don't think it should be. I feel like it's usually like out here.
We only had that because one of us flying through the line.
Or we should actually have lines.
Once we get the line,
And my grandpa always line.
good take for 3.
How's the foot hitting?
So you wanna rush them out?
I can feel Swanson coming.
I don't.
You just gotta give me a picture of it.
Okay.
Okay, I got under that.
Oh my. Gavin starts
4.
Pretty good, and then all of a sudden,
So that's how I do.
you're just walking with things.
Water.
Gavin picked just the one batter. It's like an amazing pick, and then all of a sudden,
Oh my gosh, that was so good.
Good start pitching, best end to the inning. No, it's 5-0 Avalanche trying to play the Stallions in the World Series.
no, I mean that's not. Ethan, who was batting last? Me and
What?
Gavin.
What?
Who batted last?
You
Me and
did, because you struck out.
Oh yeah, you struck out last game. Here we go in the bottom of the first, and Ethan on the mound for the Avalanche. Last game, the team gave up 15 runs. He's responsible for 11 of them after only giving up 6 in 2 games yesterday. Let's see if he can do better in this one.
That's what's gonna happen again.
And your driver said he didn't care, so.
Oh,
Wait,
alright.
run, Gavin.
I never stopped going about it.
At first I was like, why are you swinging like that? Because it was low.
I got
a double on him.
I never stopped trying to catch you. I thought I ran backwards.
If he didn't throw it at him, he'd be at first right now.
Runner at second, no out. Nope. That was the bottom.
Oh, let me put my phone away, because every time I remember, I'm like, close down my
We need
face.
the MLW strike zone that pushes out, because that might be easier to tell. Somehow, like, convert that. Wait, that's a big score. It's first and second.
Like it just has like a pipe coming out and it's in the ground.
Yeah. They're up to like $200 right?
Yeah, this is how we have this one.
Yeah. Okay. First and second, one out. That's how I got Lucas on the double play. He kept going and I just tagged him.
By that time, I waited for you to catch the ball.
One out, runners on first and second, 5-0.
But Lucas is already like all the way over here. And Ethan just made the catch and then he just goes,
I literally caught the ball 6 inches from him, so I just put my hands out and caught it. That's one run, right? Second and
Yeah.
third. Okay.
Wait.
Yeah, second and third. Because there's first and second when you hit it.
Oh, yeah.
Runners on first and second with one out.
First
Or
and
second
second.
and third. Second and third.
oh,
I'm pitching better now. I just keep, now you guys are hitting it. Base is low. That one's in a curve.
that one just disappeared in the walls.
I did like.
I think if you throw me that ball by you, this one has a giant crack in it.
What happened to that?
That one has a giant crack
Where?
on the side, right by the hole.
It's not giant.
Alright, I need to get out of this without giving up 5 because I got out to such a good start.
You only got one out, right?
5-2 with one out.
This game's got more than 10. A lot more pitching.
Bro, it's not perfect.
I thought that like looked like a rival. Like it started to like curve up in the zone, but it went to the side.
Is that 3 or 4?
3. I need to throw more. Whenever I try to aim the ball more inside, it doesn't curve. When I try to throw it at the zone, it's not curving. Okay. 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 2 outs.
You're like, whenever I throw like this bad pitch, I'm just gonna throw another bad pitch.
That was my old slider.
Oh, that's hitting.
Dude, I don't understand how this spot just got so big. I
Because
mean,
he stood there for 6 months straight.
and then
My
right,
dad's yard is so
well, then right down the middle is just
Yeah.
that.
Alright, 5-3. Can you get out of this with the lead?
Oh my god.
Bro, that was 2 nasty ones in a row. I don't know where that came from.
My bad.
He gets out of the jam, 5-3. Avalanche take the lead going into the second, try and go to the World Series.
Try to hit my pitches. I hit balls.
Alrighty, 5-3. Top of the second. Avalanche lead it, and they're batting with a chance to take a 7-run advantage. He walks it past it behind it, right?
There's other balls. Oh, one's over there.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Alright.
5-3 for one.
A lot of RBI singles in this one, not a lot of walks like last week.
Why can't the championship game be like this?
I don't know.
Watch the championship game just be a blowout.
We're like 2-1. That was such a blooper.
Wow.
I thought it was gonna go low, but I didn't want to
Line
line
play.
Yeah. And it's not past that. I want to be safe a bit. So I just went. That was close.
Guys, looks like you're gonna be getting those balls in there.
That one went back.
Both of them are. This thing is like a capture point for the ball.
Next thing we need for us is just a backstop.
We used to tear for a backstop when we don't even roll up the fence. Don't think there is backstop.
What do you do that like that?
Oh my god.
First and second, that one was close. 2 inside sliders barely missed the zone. Sorry.
No, that's my fault. I went up the side.
5-3 first and second, nobody out.
That one is not right at all.
Bases loaded.
Sound like a goose.
That's 6.
Ah!
6-3, bases loaded, nobody out. Back to the middle.
Ah! Yeah! No! Got you! Yeah!
That was an
That's
inside
3.
Parker.
That's 3.
Huh?
That was 3 from. Bases loaded.
What? 9?
Not 9. 3.
What is up with the Avalanche, do you think?
Run around third. That puts them on the corners now with no one out. They're running around third one scoring, so someone.
We're gonna score like 90 runs in the play yet.
You know, play with any other team.
Well, last time I played the Avalanche, it was like 8-2. That was the game I pitched really well in this.
I was under senior.
Yep. Right,
I guess we
9-3.
got that game.
I don't know.
I just played something. I mean, there's no outs.
I just played something. I was just trying to be tough. Big.
Not to say on field, but because there's no out.
Runners in the corners go with one away. Oh, I tipped it.
What?
I took it.
You can hear it.
You wanna go review it?
You want to use your one review?
Fine. Probably.
It's not bad. I mean, no. Not good. You can even look after you're done.
Bases loaded. A walk out to the inning.
We need another camera angle right here. Whenever I get my tripod working again. I don't give a shit, bro.
10-3 going in the bottom of the second. Good for the Avalanche.
This is like the first time that
Bottom of the second.
Launch a nuke and they're like,
Bottom of the second, 10-3.
launch a nuke and they're like, this guy's
The
like.
man commentators say the same thing. Every single year.
No, but I'm pretty sure MLB The Show has like a different commentator though.
Yeah, but they all say the same
Some of
thing.
the different teams have different commentators now, because they had to go get reasons.
Yeah, but they all say the same thing. That's fine.
Watch out for the game.
Bottom of the second here. That one didn't. That's where I started the one that I struck you out on. That's a runner on first with nobody out in the bottom of the second in a game where the Coyotes need some runs here.
This is the game to go to the World Series here. This is the Stallions. And the Avalanche are leading Coyotes.
Oh, that was just tiny bit low.
I just saw what I did. Is that why you laugh? You see what I did?
If I do that any higher, I was swinging or it was that was a little bit too low. It was on the good line too. First and second with nobody else. One out.
A little early, Gavin. Early or late. I don't know what that was, but it wasn't perfect.
It was fun.
I'm talking about the game. Swinging road.
Ball for cracking us. What you gonna be nasty?
I saw that in my angle, dude. That curve was crazy. To the forest.
Oh, you hit it in the
Oh,
Oh,
dude.
that was hitting the top of the ground.
I watched the replay of that, bro. I literally slipped last game.
Didn't carry your ACL in the box. No. Let's go.
I bobbled it. I should have stepped on third and got Gavin.
I thought you were gonna get me.
I know, if I didn't bobble that, I was throwing you out. Alright, 10-4 with one out.
The wins are 5-1.
7.
Wait.
No, 8.
8.
Two outs.
Shut up.
You just watched your
Ball. Ball.
At least I'm not swinging at pitches that are way outside the zone.
When was the last time I did
I
that?
mean, you ended last game on a swing that pitch.
Yeah, that's it.
But other than that, no one swung at you.
That was late.
Oh my god, what was
Trying
that?
to swing that.
Was that 5 or 6? That was a really
Talking
bad
trash
pitch,
about me.
and it was way too low. My release point was like right here. That was terrible. Alright, so that's the out of it.
I'll just force it.
What?
Gone! Home run! That's a good. God, that went way by me.
10-5. 1 inning to play. They're going to need a big comeback here for the Coyotes. 10-5 in the top of the third. Another 5-run roll here forces the Coyotes for 10 runs with 4 second runs. It looks like it's going to be the 2 seed versus the 3 seed in the Stallions versus the Avalanche in the World Series at this rate, though. Oh.
Yeah, you never tried it again. Just try solid.
Yeah, I'm not trying it again. I was swinging at that. Alright, 1 out. Oh my god, is there going to be a 3-pitch inning?
Here comes good pitch Gavin now.
Gavin's blocked in.
Bro, you screwed me up, bro.
Ah!
I'm gonna sell, bro, and I'm about to throw fucking 4 balls in a row.
Ready, Gavin?
Bro, every time I
The only good thing about not scoring runs is it takes like 2 seconds to get out of it. First and second. Bases loaded.
It's raining again. Rain, go away.
Almost.
Come again, another day.
What? Wait, you guys, what's the score? 10-5? 10-5.
Bases loaded with 2 outs.
What was that?
Oh, yes.
Oh. Let's go. That's 11. Ugh. Oh. I'm gonna get a nickel. Throw a strike. Oh!
Don't you drop her or?
No, I'm trying to play slow.
12.
It's just not. Is this top third or top second?
Not third. You have to score however many runs on the head dive. Unless it's less than 5, it's impossible. So you have to score 5. Ah! 13.
Step off the mountain if you want.
Sorry.
Arm rest for a second. You only got like a 20-second clock. Pitch clock.
Bro. Bro.
Just throw it. Once you step on the mountain, we'll start counting to the pitch clock.
13-5. Hanson has not been given many good pitchers so far today. Let's go. Yeah. That's 14, baby.
I
One,
want to slip
four.
on the home plate, dude.
Oh, 15. They need 10 just to tie, but it looks good for the Avalanche. Bottom of the third, the Coyotes have 10 runs to force the top of the fourth. Otherwise, it's going to be a 1 seedless World Series.
Butt cheek, bro.
Stop. Stop making faces and back stop. Shut up, boy. Let me hit. I'm about to walk the 10 runs in. You got it. First and second, nobody out.
First and second, nobody out.
It's hot, bro. You're not even
team 5 with 1 out, running up on first and second.
Big Bennett, Big Bennett.
Down the
Two. That's two.
Come on, bro. We're down to 1 run. Push up.
We didn't score any yet, right?
No, first and second.
Come on, 3-run shot.